Going on, everyone? Sam here at Layton Sports Cards. We're ripping one box of 23 at Bowman Chrome Baseball Hobby for SG. It's good luck here, SG. Let's see what we got in here for everybody. 23 Bowman Chrome Hobby. 23 at Bowman Chrome Baseball Hobby. Let's do it. Spearmint or Wintergreen. All right, I'll give that a shot at some point. They are hella cheap, dude. That's the thing. They're so cheap. Roger Arias Invicta. First, Canner Delgado.
Fed on the wrong one. We need to make sure we pull a...
Blue to 150, Jordan Walker. What'd you say?
So we need to make sure we pull a FedEx-worthy card in this box.
Fair.
Just kidding. I'll regret it.
Jesus Caba and a base. Shimmer is Gavin Cross. Ace and base. First, or just the base auto, Clark Elliott going to the A's, but going to SG. He is an A, base and base. That is a Leo Verbaguero to $4.99 on the refractor rookie for the Pirates.
Borrow your pen. Borrow your pen.
Yeah.
Thank you.
SC, you're up next, by the way, just so you know. I meant to tell you that. You are up right after this. Hello, DFM. Valdez, Acevedo. Riley Green, that's image variation. Nice one there, SG. Take that for sure with the, is that the Field of Dreams game, I think? Gold Mini Diamonds, Daniel Mateo, first auto. Nice one there, 250. Congrats on that. No, this is SG. SG. This one's SG. The next one's SC, which is confusing for sure, but... Base and base. That'll do it for your break there, SG. Thanks as always for the support, buddy. Get them right out to you, my man.